Alright, so basically what we're doing is I'm caulking it. Like I said, if you do this on your house while it's being built to your plywood, you'll be surprised what it saves every year. Every year you'll save a astronomical amount of money because they have just recently discovered that wood has no insulation factor whatsoever. So I don't know how they say that anyway, but how in the heck was log cabins doing their thing all this time? But anyhow, this is what they're saying. So basically, you see, as this is for soundproof, this is for insulating purposes, this is for different things. So anyhow, you take it and you just rub it in. You don't have to do this. You can just put it in there effectively, and it will work just the same. But as you see, I use the blackjack also. Whatever you got, really. It all noise proofs. It all stops it, and it all helps. That's it on this video. This is Top Shelf Trim, showing you some key factors, and I mean, this is, I guess, multiple things you could do this for. All in all, it will help to hold together everything in a hurricane, tornado, anything disastrous. It'll help too. So keep that in mind. You should probably build your walls like this anyway, no matter where you're at. Thank you.